hitting things, man. Got some good coffee. Gonna go meet C at the range right now. Come on, man. Enjoying some breakfast, man, while the Benz drive itself, man. I be forgetting, bro, like, I don't be feeling like vlogging sometimes, but I gotta remember, like, this is not regular, bro. So I gotta hustle and motivate, you know what I'm saying? Gotta hustle and motivate, it's only right, bro. Eating strawberries and French toast, drinking coffee and some good spring water, man, with Glocks and red dots and things like that, and tearing tactical extensions, and you know, come on, man. I just want to give a big thanks to Big God, but I've been learning lessons like. Big thanks to Big God, man.
Tell me what you need is yours. Tell me what to do, I do it. You don't gotta go outside. Everything I make is yours. Make it yours. Yeah. Tell me what you dreaming. Yeah. Tell me what I mean to you. Tell me what you see in me. I tell you what I see in you. Yeah. No, I can't afford you. I'm in this position for a reason. It's what I made it for. I've been trying to focus on myself. Know it's gonna take me far. She know that I'm young, but I'm piping. I be making noise. Niggas, they ain't.
C. Brother man.
What's goody, man?
What's
Alright,
good?
guys. What you brought
Another
today?
day. I brought my 34 and my 19. And I had got a new range. Well, I'm switching up my range bag. I'm trying to not have so much on me, so I'm gonna move some stuff over. I ain't show them yet or nothing, but let me show y'all my new range kit though. My new bag. Because this is my new bag, bro. My patches is so hard. I got more and way, like, I got hard stickers too. My favorite stickers I ain't put on yet because I don't know what to do with them, but yeah, this is my other range bag. I'm just finna move over what I need. Hold up. Cause, bro, I don't need all this stuff. I need this, my pack timer, this little bit of ammo I got left. I need these walkers, some batteries. I need those. These are spare, but I ain't got no girl right now. Nigga. My mics. My Sharpies. Let me see. That's really all I need. Some glasses, bro. Nigga ain't got no boot, ugly, and I don't need one, nigga. I might just DL you. I'm gonna leave this in here too, just cause I'm a baller and I'm a fly nigga, so I stay fresh. You feel me? Let me see what else. I need these. I really don't need these cause these ain't got no nose guard, so they gonna hurt when I wear them, but I do need this. Don't mind my trunk, bro. I got a whole lot of Targets in here and jackets and shit. It's really not messy. It look messy, but it's just unorganized. For sure, unorganized. Hold up, let me see. Let me go in here. Got a 380 mag. There's some rounds in here. Let me see the type of rounds I got. Ooh, I've been looking for these. Cause look, bruh. These not even, look. I might be showing y'all too much, but Really, I'm finna top these off because these where they're supposed to be. Yeah, y'all, I understand a lot of y'all might be new to this channel, man. This is my Glock 34 build right here. Red dot. Hollow sun. Feel me? And this right here is my 19 build. Red dot. I need to adjust the brightness. Yes, sir. Time in my fly today, y'all. I went dunks on them, Neapolitan. Feel me? Yes, sir. Y'all let me know, man, if y'all could only pick one. What y'all picking, man? 19 or the 34P. I mean, am I fly today, too? Not really.
Drill, scoring part time. Hits must be within quadrant/bubble. Line breakers fail. Misses fail. On the start signal, engage bottom target with 1 round per quadrant. Okay. Perform a mandatory reload. Fire 3 rounds in the upper bubble. So 7 rounds at 7 yards. This thing ain't working though, so that's straight. All right.
Bet.
We got some time drops. Beginner 9 to 10 seconds. Intermediate 8 to 8.5 seconds. And no need to read the other ones.
Okay, bet.
Dang, bro. Almost first tee that joint ski. That's crazy. But
Was that the last shot? The
yeah,
line breaker?
That was the last shot. Yeah, I pulled it down. Okay. That's what it felt like. I had it here and then I yanked it.
Yeah.
That's 2 line breakers though, so that's well no.
Nah, that's one.
Yeah, that's one. That's straight. So
That was a good rep. Do you like your red dot to kind of like scream at you, or do you like it like where it's not blooming at all?
Shoot, it depends really.
Yeah.
Like right now, indoors, I gotta turn down a little bit.
Yeah.
Outside, I'll definitely blast it and then probably like turn it down 1 notch.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, sure, because it be bright as heck outside.
Yeah. It doesn't really give it twisters. It looks blasted on camera inside regardless, so y'all can't really tell, but I like it not blasted on the inside like you said.
Yeah.
It's so expensive.
I guess, you know, that is
The most expensive.
relative. That would be a pretty good deal. $17.99
Great deal.
for the 370s. Heck, yeah, that's not bad. So you got 2 of those. Boom.
$5 foot long cookie.
Is that a coupon?
But nah. Yeah, that's low key the best deal though, bang for the buck.
Yeah, so if you get boom, 2 of them things, then you get you another one.
For real. And they got this.
Boom, foot long, get a free. Ooh.
If you got a kid, man, feed yourself, feed the kid free, man.
You with it. Alright, so whoever stacks up the most good coupons. So we'll go all the way until they're all shot out.
Alright.
And yeah, we'll see. I don't know what that comes down to. I'm trying to see. Should be pretty fun. Good little range game with the broski. Yeah. I'll go first. Wow. Well, I guess you can also Doritos, nice little drink, and a foot-long sub. Okay.
So is my objective to match it?
No, you don't gotta match it. You just gotta get.
I can pick
as
one.
much. Yeah, you can pick
All right.
anything, but you just gotta get the best freaking deals. I got the worst one, I think. What do we got? Oh, we both got the 890. Wait, you gotta go again.
What?
Cause I already got that one.
Right now?
Yeah, you can just get another go. That's how we'll do that. Okay. Oh no. I know. I got the 17.
Team today.
Okay. Got the 3 low.
Team. 3 foot long for $17.99.
Right on the money too. That's crazy. $17.99. All right. There's one more left though. I gotta get that one.
Farther?
I said at least like 7 yards. It gotta be at least 7 yards.
Yeah. I don't know why it wasn't going out any further for me.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Let's say
Maybe the 10-yard. That might be the 10. That other crack where that's right above.
that's the 10.
Yeah, I know that second yellow line is 15. So if the first yellow is 7, that might be about 10.
All right, yeah, that's straight. That's far enough. Okay. Let's get it. $17.99 me. I need that 3 foot longer. Okay. There we go.
Got it.
I needed that. I gotta
At a
feed the
whopping
family.
10 yards,
I gotta
man.
feed the family. I'm not even gonna break it back in.
That's
'cause
not as easy as y'all think,
we got
man.
the three long shalom going on.
Real. Feeding the
There we
team.
go. All right. There we go. Boom. So I got the $8.99 and the $17.99.
Dang. Now it's getting tricky because look, we don't remember where's where now.
Okay, bad.
But I do remember that I think it's something good in that top right corner, bro. Wait.
Yeah, there's no more $17.99 there. I'll take it. But you got some good ones left. What we got? What was that?
I got the 12 with the free 6-inch, man.
No, you didn't. No, he didn't. Okay, so where we at now? Boo, wait. Oh yeah, I see it at the top. Yep. Okay. Okay, wait, low key, I was just able to get some information. So we got the $12.99 in the middle. That's what I'm going for.
Oh, man.
There we go. You need that one. You need that one. It's so they're hungry as yet. We need that. Wait.
Ooh, you hit the bottom right. You hit the wait.
No, I hit the middle, the top middle.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping.
Then should we call it? Should we make it like if you call it? Cause that was low key an accident. Like I was going for the middle, but I just pulled.
Nah.
It. Should we-
I don't know.
Hey AJ.
Yes.
First, okay, you know I love.
Move it or not? jamming?
Slow, but I think I got it. The left. The one right next to yours.
Left middle?
You sure I got it?
Yeah. Tagged him.
Let's go.
I think it's
Okay,
only one left. Top left now.
That's the last one?
Yeah.
The big one.
Took me a minute.
We're gonna count it out.
That.
I guess we can bring it back now and we can check and see.
I just know he good.
Was the bottom one missing?
Oh yeah, we didn't get that yet. Or the cookie.
Got 2 left. $5 cookie. What's that, $8.99?
Maybe we should split the cookie and do 2 taps. Since it's a big target. Or we could divide it into 3, but still do 2 taps. But you see the sections?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
2 tap, but it still gotta be in. Dang.
Technical difficulty.
Z-Pack 92.
It's under the table. Did you see the you said 357? $7.79.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
If you look under the
mess with
table with all
wood.
this ammo on it, in the little crates, there's like 3 different brands.
We done told Draco's in real life.
Do you see it? Okay.
You don't gotta go outside. Everything I take is yours. Yeah.
Man, you too. I'm finna pull up on Bouldercrest real quick, man. I can get me a plate, man. Finna get me some Jamaican food, P. You hear me, man? Finna get me some Jamaican. Show y'all, bro. On the east. Y'all didn't know. Just passing through. You feel me? Just passing through. You hear what I mean? Watercrest Road, hey. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No, I lie. Yeah. Yeah, and all that. I'm on it. All that. Keep my shoes though, bro. I'm fly as fuck today on the low. I'm like on some plain fly shit. I'm so been a fly nigga. Might just tear up out this mud. You know what I mean? Got my seatbelt on, cause I'm a safe nigga too, man. Super safe. I'm having super. Because they see blowing like it's snowing. For real. Oh shit. Potholes. I'm finna put on that little project, baby. No cap, I'm finna slide to the house, man. I love y'all. If you made it to this far of the video, man, I love you. Let me know what build you would pick, my 34 or my 19, man. Let me know some. Yeah. Let me know. I really appreciate y'all for staying tuned, man. Like I said in my last video, I'm back and I'm better, man. I was going through some things, but you feel me? I'm good. I'm healing. I'm not healed yet. I'm healing for sure. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm finna vibe out, hit the road real quick, make sure I make it back home safe, man. I love y'all again, man. I love you. Like the video, please like the video. Subscribe, stay tuned with me, and make sure you comment so I can really know like who's there, bro. And I will remember y'all. I swear I'm gonna remember